How to disable HDR mode on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can disable HDR mode on Instagram. So let's just dive right into the video without any delay. So if you want to turn off the HDR mode on Instagram, first thing is logging into your account through Instagram itself. So you can just go ahead and log in into Instagram first. After that, you can go to the profile page of by tapping on the bottom right corner of your screen right here. And when you do that, you will be led to the space. So from this space, you can head over to the menu bar at the top and open up the main settings. After you open up the main settings, all you need to do is scroll down and locate the option which is called data uses and media quality, which is right here under the your app and media section. So go ahead and access this option. After that, here you should be finding data saver and upload at highest quality. Including that, here you can find this high resolution media. So all you need to do is, if you have these options turned on, you just need to go ahead and turn it off. And when you do that, it will disable the HDR mode on Instagram. So that is it for now. These are the methods you should apply up if you want to disable HDR mode on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.